Yes,
oh, there she's going to help him.
I'm gonna be his partner.
Okay, I have to see who the winner
You're
is.
gonna grab that for me, just like you did before, okay? Can you see?
I hope
Do
you
you want
guys
to sit
don't
on my
mind me
knee?
playing with you guys.
Is that okay? No, you don't want to? Okay, that's fine. You just grab onto this then. Okay, aim it down. Everybody's gonna aim down into the bowl. When we say go, you're gonna pull the handle and lift your thumb, okay?
At the same time.
You've got Twirly, you've got Rod, you've got Uncle Sam, or just Sam, and we've got Papa Snippy. Okay, everybody ready? Okay, aim down. I'll say 1, 2, 3, go. On go, pull the handle, lift your thumb. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Okay, let's see. Uncle Sam, here, pull this handle. Pull the handle, pull, pull, pull. Now you're Tequila.
Okay.
And he's
Now you're
Vincent.
Blue Swirly.
All right. Oh, Papa Smurf's down.
Oh no.
All right. Remember that the 2 started 5 seconds late.